shopping, baby. We gotta get some lunch for the truck. I'm gonna go get my regular. Oh, what they got over here? Oh, we got some seafood salads. Something like that. That look good. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that one. That seafood salad looks good. Yeah. But they got the savory butter roll. That shit is sweet. Gotta get the Hawaiian bread, baby. You hear me? Certain things I always get when I go in here. I always get me a big old thing of Amish potato salad. They got the Amish. They got the mustard. I don't like the mustard one. And they got the original. I always get the Amish potato salad. Seafood salad, some bread. I ain't get nothing too heavy. I just get a few little items for my truck. Should go ahead and give me a little chicken salad too. Y'all gonna give me a small chicken salad. White meat. I don't want no seafood salad. Southern peach. This is the best one over here. That's Southern peach lemonade. Yes, sir. Gotta have that. Shouldn't be getting it, but gotta get it. Yes, sir. It's that yellow strawberry ice and pound cake. Mandatory. Yeah. I ain't gonna get too much. It's crab salad. Gotta get that. Delicious. Oh yeah, maybe one of these straight. Maybe too heavy. Go get the cherry. Something slight. Ain't nothing too heavy. They're trying to give me some lunch, so if I'm on the side of the road and everything closed, I still got something I can eat. Yeah, that's it. Bread, shuffle. Go ahead and get 2 of those. That's gonna be it. Got me some bread, potato salad, got me seafood salad, chicken salad. We all set. Time to unpack all my groceries. Let's clean my windshields. Looking all clean. Ready to hit the road. Heading out of Michigan today. First time going to Michigan. Not per se Detroit, but we going down to Michigan. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up my refrigerator. I need to clean it out. All set. My chicken salad. Refrigerator. Got my cakes. Got my seafood salad, my yogurts, pineapples, Pepsi, all my teas and everything. I got a little refrigerator, so I can only pack it but so much. So, lock that. Slippers right there. We all set to go, baby. Go ahead on up out of here. Set up my dash cam. Very important, man. Anybody that's over the road, or shit, even if you local, get you a dash cam, bro. It'll save you a lot of hardships and troubles out here. Because it's always going to be your word against theirs. And you know, since you're the commercial truck driver, 9 times out of 10, they going to blame you. Not all the time, but it seems like that's what it usually be. So, check yourself and get you a dash cam, man. This little road I'll be coming out on right here. It's tight. Oh yeah, that was. Yeah. Flying it. Yeah, so this is a little tight little street over here on Route 3. Kind of got a bully to get on the road, so I'm gonna take my time and let people get on over. So I find me an open spot, I get on up in there like that. Yeah. We heading on down the route 97. About to go pick up our first load at Baltimore. And yes sir, we heading down to Detroit, baby. Well, Michigan, not really Detroit, but we're going down to Michigan. So, we're checking y'all when I check in over at the Amazon lot. This is lunch right now. Got me some chicken salad. Got my load. I'm sitting on the side of the road right now. I'm about to get a little quick little bite because I got 8-hour drive to Michigan. It's hard to refrain from eating snacks and goodies all day, bro. I'm hungry. This fuel right here. Check me out with food. We at the Flying J. Man, this is packed, man. I need some fuel, so I'm gonna have to sit and wait. Man. Hey. All right, bro. Hey. Here waiting at the pilot, Flying J. About to get some fuel, gonna fuel up so we ain't gotta stop. We can go ahead straight on down where I'm so used to saying I can head on straight on down to Michigan. I ain't even gotta stop. See, I'm at 1/4 tank of DEF. DEF is diesel exhaust fluid. And, I was gonna stop on the Pennsylvania Turnpike, but my GPS told me this was the closest one over here in Clearbrook, Virginia. So this week gonna fuel up at. So yeah, stay tuned. My man get out in a t-shirt and shorts, bro. Do y'all see what's on the ground? Snow. It's about 20 degrees out this joint, and this dude is out here in some damn shorts and a t-shirt, bro. This nigga gonna get a flu. Crazy, man. You see all this snow on the ground? They're wearing a t-shirt or shorts. Hey, that's how they do. Couldn't be me. Traffic. You see semis that packed up that long? You can go with some real traffic out here, man. I just left the pilot. It took about an hour to get up out of that place, get some fuel and get up out of there, man. It was so jam-packed. I don't know, it's an accident, as usual. You know, hopefully I make it on time. I still got 7 hours to go. Oh yeah, y'all, I made some hoodies. Red Bed Trucker hoodies. I just made it in my spare time. Really want to try and make a brand out of it or do anything with it, but a few people reached out to me and said they liked it. I had a few people order some of the beanies I made. I made some hoodies for the family, for my girls, my wife, and my kids. Take a look at it real quick. Yeah, cause what it is, man, I'm trying to keep up my little sis, perfectly imperfected, bro. Every time I turn around, she coming up with some new idea. Hate to piggyback on what she doing, man, but hey, great minds think alike, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, shout out to Perfectly Imperfected, man. Y'all go check her channel out, man. Perfectly Imperfected, man. Great content, good personality. I love the videos, man. I'm pretty sure you guys will too, man. I'll check in with y'all in a few. Great. Pennsylvania Turnpike. See back there behind that Chester. Come on. Shit. Just found there's a lot of little food eaters over there. You got Pizza Hut, you got Perkins, whatever that is. You got Bob Evans over there in the corner. Yeah, this the obesity. This actually was extremely difficult to drive. Not in the real the snow per se, it's just the salt that's on your windshield where you can't see anything. You know what I mean? It's just so saturated with salt. You can't see anything. So I'm always in the left lane. My truck does 85, so I think I got the fast truck on the road, man, honestly. When they see me coming on their ass, they fly out the way. Truck and vehicles. I ain't trying to be bullying people or aggressive driving, but sometimes, man, I just be trying to get it done. Get to where I need to get to, keep it moving. I'm always safe. In my 4 to 5 years of being a truck driver, I've never hit anything. I've never hit anybody. Yeah, damage has happened to the truck. You know, flat tires, stuff here and there, but as far as vehicles or other people, nah, I haven't hit anybody. I never seen triple trailers. This how triple trailers look. Look like this dude driving a locomotive down the street. Dock Door 202. There's some new facility over here in Michigan, bro. I'm so ready to get the hell out of this place already. Big ass facility. I saw all of my damn windshield. I can't see. So 202. They don't. I'm docking at 202.
It's morning time already. Trying to get up and get situated at this road. See my view this morning. Over here in Toledo, Ohio. Yep. Trying to get up, make me some breakfast. Get this day started. Y'all stay tuned.
Zero parking spot. That's what we docking this trailer at. 920. Gotta be back here because that's right though. This right here is 830 something. Iron Trucking. This is Iron Trucking 920. Oh, I see 920 right there. There we go. Right by the Swift and the J Ride trailer. At the way station over here on I-70 in East. Everybody know about this one. I done got put out of service numerous times over here. So when your truck is good and your weight is decent,
they give you the green light. If it's not, then they put you on a scale. You'll see what I'm talking about. Either the green Earl or the X. And y'all see the green Earl, I probably can't see it because it's hot. But y'all see the X. That X is for like you get on the scale. The green Earl, let me see if I get closer. Alright. Well, it's an Earl, you probably seen it. That means the weight is good. So we can keep going. And if they had the green Earls, basically directing it which one they want you to go to. You know? So that's the way station closed. Let's keep on going down the road, y'all. We done for the day, y'all. Just dropped this last trail over here, Bourne Highway in Baltimore. We about to head on to the yard, head on to the family, call it a night, see what tomorrow got to hold. I appreciate y'all rocking with me for this long. I love y'all, man.